Hi, boys and girls. We're going to practice with our letter and the sounds the letter makes. So this is a video to help every day us review our letters and our sounds. Parents, if your children have all of their letters and their sounds down very well, then you probably don't need to watch this video or practice today. But if they don't, this is definitely a video to help them review those letters and sounds, okay? So what's going to happen is I'm going to go through the letters and we're going to say the name and the sound quickly together. And then the second time through, I'll just show and give you time to practice at home. Okay, thanks. Here we go. N says mm. K says k. Oops, that one's upside down, sorry. U says Y says y. J says j. D says d. P says p. A says a. F says f. C says k. S says s. O says G says g. R says r. B says b. Z says z. V says v. E says eh. H says h. L says o. T says t. M says m. W says w. X says x. All right, let me mix those up again. Hopefully they're all the right way this time. And I'm just going to show them on the screen, and this is your time to say the letter name and the sound at home. Okay, here we go. Can you believe we've learned all those letters and sounds so far? Now, families at home, if you feel like they're struggling or having trouble with letters and sounds video, I'll be putting some extra videos onto the lessons for you to watch in the practice section. There's always a lot of videos on YouTube to kind of help sing and dance, because in the classroom they would be getting a lot of practice with letters and sounds and stations and stuff, and they just might not be getting that through the computer, because we don't want them on the computer for a ton of time during the day. So just be aware of which ones they need to practice and work on, and you can always pause this video or go back to it on a different day. or check out some videos on YouTube. So that's just my tip for today. Thanks for practicing with us, everybody. Bye.